You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French DJ, the way he would say it, and how it's pronounced in French, therefore the kind of correct pronunciation. By the way, if you want to learn more names from music and from French that are confusing, stay tuned. DJ, or DJ as we say in French, Hugel, alright, so that would be the French pronunciation with the H that is not pronounced. H doesn't do anything in French. U, you've got this very specific U sound that is very French, and then gel, alright, Hugel, DJ Hugel. Now, in English it's often pronounced as Hugel or Hugel, but really you should say it as DJ Hugel. DJ Hugel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.